Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover videos with Camtasia, full guide step by step clearly. To recover videos with Camtasia, first, launch the Camtasia application on your computer. Open the project you want to work with by selecting it from the recent projects list or browsing to the project file. If you cannot find your project, check the default project folder where Camtasia saves its files. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner. Select the Import option to bring in any video files you want to recover. If your project is missing, you might find saved backups in the Camtasia folder. To access backups, navigate to the Documents folder, and then open the TechSmith folder. Inside, look for the Camtasia subfolder, which contains the backups. Search for a file with a name similar to your missing project, and double-click it to open. After opening the backup, review the timeline to see if your videos have been restored. If your videos are not visible, check the media bin for any imported files that may still be there. You can drag those files onto the timeline to incorporate them into your project. If you've lost the project file altogether, consider checking the recycled bin or temporary files folder on your computer. For further recovery, use a data recovery software that specializes in retrieving lost files. Once you have retrieved the necessary videos, save your project frequently to avoid future losses. Utilize Camtasia's cloud features to back up important projects automatically. Finally, always ensure to maintain multiple copies of your important files to prevent data loss in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.